Oh, this is cute. Um, like an eighth of a moon, almost quarter moon, shaped right here. I think this is a diatom. And look, it got a golden color to it. And I really like that. This is kind of the moon of the microcosmos. But we're looking at it 100 power. Increase the size of that a little bit. Man, isn't that awesome? And we'll go to 250 power. And doesn't it just look like a beautiful moon? And this is one of the prettier diatoms that I have seen. If this is a diatom, um, I think I know what it is. It's got a more technical name for it. But look at that. That is amazing right there. Looks like a banana too, somebody might say. So let's see if we can scan through this. Are we going out? Let's go in. It's opaque enough so that you can't really scan through it that much. But that is, look at the lines there. We'll focus on this tip right here. Just very hard to see. Look at the other side. Now, tell you, I've never seen one quite like this, the yellow. I think other diatoms that have a gold color, but not quite like this. We can try looking at this at 1,000 power. This is just amazing. Okay, we're at 1,000 power. I know my lens is touching the cover slide, so I was trying not to rupture this thing. Look at that, the striations right there. They're all just like perfectly, the same distance apart, the striation. It's just something at 1,000 power, just so beautifully and intricately made. That is just so amazing. And we can try to scan through this a little bit now, but if we're right on it. Can't really see through it though. Yeah, this is one of the particles here running around. Are they in the, I'm trying to see if they're on the inside. Yeah, they appear to, yeah, they're on the inside. So we can see, let's try scanning a little bit more. With white field, which is the normal white light that your microscope comes with, sometimes you can see more detail than you can with dark field. And sometimes dark field on some organisms, you can see right through them just beautifully. And even their organs and organelles really show themselves. But see the inside movement here? And I think they call it maybe the Brownian movement power. Now we're going to go back out from 1,000 to 250. And there's our beautiful moon type diatom, I believe it is. Looks like a moon in the far back too, doesn't it? Right over the top of it, the bottom of it. But yeah.